Okay. So today I'm not talking about self-improvement. I'm talking about like chemistry stuff, right? Because when it comes to chemistry, and this is something that I found out, because in chemistry, atoms have electrons. They're like little particles that are like electricity and stuff, and they have a negative charge, right? Like we know that shit, right? But there is two types of ways to know how many electrons an element has, you know? And now let me just get that. And like when there is one way which is like this, and if you're doing that way, if I remember correctly, no, but like you get the point, right? Like if you did it that way, right, of like K to LA, then that would add up to like 250, right? But then there's the way that we most often see, and with that, and with this way, I have a problem, right? It's like 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, right? And this goes on and on and on and on and on until we get to 7p6, right? And now all of these electrons add up to 118, but we've already done element 118. So what comes next? Like if we discover element 119, then like how do you write it? Like do something like 8s2 or what? I'm really confused about that. So yeah, that was really just me being curious about something. And yeah, that's really all I had to say today. Yeah, I was just curious about what could happen, because like how do you like actually write it down, right? If we actually discover element 119, how will it work, right? Like will it be something like this? And if yes, then like what comes next? Like 9? I know. So yeah, that's really all I had to say today. Sleep well, do better, cut in the cut. Subscribe and see ya.